I have quite a number of these orange amaryllis, which used to all burst into bloom about Easter. This year, only a few flowered. I have plenty of foliage which looks healthy. Every so often, I would trim them because they multiply so enthusiastically. I like that. I have never given them any special attention, and they have been reliable bloomers for decades. I leave them in the ground year-round, and this has never seemed to bother them. We don't have a real winter here. Why don't they bloom as they once did? Thank you. Happy gardening. This is Brenda from Orlando, Florida. So Celeste, you're up on this one. So they were doing so fine. They were doing so well. No care. All of a sudden they're not blooming.
And now they're just not doing well.
They're not doing well at all.
You know, I know that she mentioned that she has thinned in the past. So, I mean, that is, you know, a potential.
Right.
They may just need to have some more space so each of those bulbs can grow individually. But also, I would ask her to look at the shade in that area, right? So she said they've been there for years and years. If she's got trees or large shrubs in that area, they've been growing as well over this period of years. So maybe they're getting more shade than they used to, and so maybe that's affecting their bloom quality or the number of blooms possibly.
You know, I have a thought. They have to have a dormant period, and I wonder if something's changed about the water flow, because for us, we have to force them to go dormant. And if she's being in Florida, it doesn't get cool. I wonder if something changed about the water, or maybe too much nitrogen. If something's changed.
Right, could be too much water. Okay, all right. Nitrogen, could be an issue as well. Crowding, could be an issue. How about nutrients? Did they have enough nutrients during the post-blooming period? So that's something else I thought about. You know,
to kind
as
of
well.
regenerate.
Yeah, to regenerate it.
Yes.
Right. So.
Like make sure that you're leaving the foliage, because the foliage is going to be a natural generator of energy, and she's been doing this for years, so I'm sure that she's aware of that. But for the other viewers who might be listening to us today, make sure that they're leaving that that foliage and letting it do photosynthesis and refuel that bulb for the next season's bloom. Yeah. So just keeping them thinned and monitoring the light and just keep an eye on anything that's changed. That's what we're trying to identify here. So evaluate all the options.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.